Hi, I'm Varsha. Everybody definitely has dreams of getting their home very well done, and I think I've got the best home now with by choosing Homzinterio. They've done a fantastic job. Of course, I did have multiple runs in terms of choosing the best interiors, and I think a home gets complete with the best interiors. And I wanted a concept of a hotel or a restaurant in the dining space because I wanted to use the space very well. So she's here again, she's given a bay window concept of a bench concept, so that's also fantastically done. So we've gone with a subtle color all over with a combination of white and beige, and I think that's the standout. And given the small dimension of the house, one of the purpose was from the interiors was for me to make the look house much more bigger. And all my concepts were kind of fulfilled. I wanted a bay window concept which is given in the kids bedroom, and within the kids bedroom, if you see, the dressing table is covered, the bay window concept is covered, there is a study table along with the wardrobe, and still the room looks bigger. So I've gone with a European theme for the house, and it's come out excellent. As you can see, the wall beadings, the European mirrors, and the finishing has been absolutely excellent. Thanks to the entire Homzinterio group for all my requirements have been fulfilled within this. So thank you so much, Homzinterio, for making my dream come true, and I highly recommend Homzinterio.